Finally, today arrived my new MacBook. It was a surprise from my boyfriend. You know, yesterday I came home and I told him, I was like, let's go for a walk. He was like, no, I am very tired. I want to sleep. I'm like, no, let's go for a walk for 10-15 minutes. And, you know, we came home after a long walk and he told me, are you gonna edit something? I'm like, I'm gonna cook. He was like, maybe you will edit something. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna edit. So he placed on my table, you can see there, he placed on my table MacBook, but I didn't see it because it was dark. So he told me, go and check for the case for your camera. I found it and it seems to me it's broken. So in the dark I found the case and I grabbed the case and I brought to him. I told him, you see, it's not broken, it's working. Why do you say that it's broken? And he was like, go and see what's on your table. And then I realized that there is something on my table and it was MacBook. Look at this, look at this. Finally, I have new MacBook Pro. Do you know what it means? It means very powerful computer. So now we're gonna open it. So you see, it has this one. So we're gonna just do it hop, hop, hop. Oh my god, I can't believe. Yeah. Come out, baby, come out. Wow. So you always pull it like this. And here it is. So nice. So nice. It has what? The book, charger, and the wire. Let's open it. You see? It goes like this. And like this. Do you like it? Write it in the comments. What do you think? There are no USB ports? What? Apple, what? Is he serious? Apple, I'm very disappointed. Look, 0 USB ports, 0 card readers, 0. Okay, let's open it. For this amount of money, I'm afraid to open it. Wow. I know that this is a touchpad. So basically you can switch on and off the sound just pressing these buttons. I saw it in... Oh, look! Wow! That's cool. That's awesome. Let's remove this paper.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yep. I want English. That's it. MacBook Pro. Look, this is the most important part. When you place your finger here and it scans. So basically I will be able to open my computer with this one. Nice. Here we go. Finally, I'm in. Gosh, look at these buttons which are enlightened. Look how many icons usually MacBooks have. But I usually delete all of them. Remove actually. I keep only 6 or 7, which I'm using all the time.